Like, comment, subscribe, and let's do this. We're starting off with the sun. Man, it sounds. I don't know how to explain the sound, but it's like it's pulsating. Yeah, it's sort of like a pulsating sound. Is that wind? Does that sound windy? Yeah, it sounds very windy, but I know there's no wind there. Have you ever been by a window when it's like very windy outside? Like, not a little windy, very windy. It sounds like that. Why does it sound like a church bell? Yeah, this by far. So far, so far, this sounds like what I was expecting other planets to sound like. Like, it just sounds weird. What could be making that sound? It sounds like metal. Like, have you ever hit something and it was like vibrating? Or I don't know if you get what I mean, but that's how it sounds. Or even a bell. A bell sounds like that. Oh, I don't know, man. But Earth sounds like I would expect it to sound. It sounds earthy. I know that doesn't make sense, but it sounds like wind and water. It's oddly calming. Both Mars, the sound of Mars and the sound of Earth, I could sleep to those sounds. They're very calming sounds. Like the wind sound, it's not as aggressive as the moon. I think it was the moon. That sound was so aggressive. But with Mars and Earth, I could sleep to those sounds. Why does it sound like construction? Like a construction site that's like far away. That sounds scary. That's very scary. It sounds so menacing. Have you ever played a game and you are like in the woods? I know I keep making comparisons, but I have to. Have you ever been playing a game like a horror game and you're in like the woods? That's the sound. I swear you could use that sound in a game, as a scary game or a game like, say, what game is that? Resident Evil, and use that in the woods and it would fit. Yeah, Jupiter and Saturn. If it all it took to pick planets was sound, I wouldn't go. So far, I know I keep pausing, but it doesn't really matter. I hope you guys don't mind it. So far, I wouldn't go to Saturn, Venus, and Jupiter. All three sound menacing, but I like the sounds though. Now let's listen to what Uranus sounds like. A lot of wind coming out of Uranus. Yeah, it sounds like wind in the woods. Oh, that sort of sounded like a rocket out of Uranus. Man, Neptune is so beautiful. Cool, calm sound too. I like that. It's up there with Earth and Mars. It sounds like the deep ocean. Is it raining on Pluto? It sounds like rain. Rain and something metallic. Whoa. I wasn't expecting that switch up. I really wasn't. So far, the most interesting sounds I've heard was Pluto and Venus. By far, not just because both of them sound like metallic or like bells, but they had the most unique sounds between the two. Majority of them sounded like wind or like the deep ocean. Granted, all of them sounded different, but the most unique ones were Pluto and Venus. By far the most unique. And it's actually insane that we have the technology to hear that. When did we get these sounds? If anyone knows, and how do we get those sounds? If anyone knows, put that in the comments, because I don't know. It's actually insane to me that we were able to hear that, like how other planets sound. I wouldn't have thought we were able to. So it was great watching this and listening to the sounds. If you want me to react to any other space related video, put the links in the comments so I can know which specific video you want me to watch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.